Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of the Sunrise Farms Buffalo Style Chicken Wings. These are fully cooked and they're at Costco for cheap. So check the ingredients if you guys want to read it, pause the video. So it does have like cayenne pepper stuff like that. So I'm actually going to rinse off some of the coating first because it'll be spicy. So I don't like spice too much. So there's the nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up. So it comes in a bag within a bag, and let's open that up. Okay, so it smells like your traditional buffalo hot wings, and let's cook it up. I'll be right back. It's all done. It smells pretty good. It smells like buffalo wings, but let's go to a quick taste test. I want to make sure it's not too hot, but I didn't do anything to it yet, so let's just do a quick taste test what it naturally tastes like. There it is. Here's one. Oh, it's good. It's tangy. It's actually not that spicy at all. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. It's got that buffalo hot wing taste, but it's, yeah, not that spicy, which is surprising.